example of how to set up the AutoTrade Signal futures trading strategy. Once you have started NinjaTrader, click on the Control Center here, and we're going to simply create a new chart window. To do that, we'll select File, New, and Chart from the menu options. It'll bring up a new chart. Let's scroll down, and we're going to select a new ES chart, the next available expiration date, and we're going to select it for a 5-minute chart. Candlesticks is what we'll do, and we'll load several days of historical data as well. Once we finish this, click OK. This will bring up a chart that shows the ES data on it. Now, next what we need to do is install several of the AutoTrade Signal indicators. To do that, we'll go over to the third icon from the right on the top of the chart bar and click on the indicators icon. From there, we're going to click on the ATS signal indicator, add a new one of those. We'll scroll all the way to the bottom where we want to add a volume indicator. We'll add a new one of those. And we also want to add our high-low of the opening time range. We'll click that and add a new one of those. Now for the ATS signal and for the volume indicators, we'll just accept the default settings of those. For the high-low of time range, we're going to reconfigure it a little bit. The start time will be 8 for the hour, but the start time minutes will be 8:30. And for the ending hour, since we only want the opening 30 minutes, we'll change that to 9 o'clock. And click OK. What this does is create for us a chart with exactly everything that we need on it. Now the opening 8:30 to 9 a.m. Parameters for the high-low of time range indicator is for the central time zone in the United States. If you live in the Eastern time zone, obviously that would be 9:30 to 10. If you live on the West Coast, that would be 6:30 to 7. If you live in other parts of the world, we've had people from Spain and the UK, set it to be the opening minute and ending at the end of the first 30 minutes of trading for the market that you're interested in. On your screen, you'll see an indicator like this. The X through here with the vertical lines represents the period of time where we do not trade. You see the up arrows generated by the ATS signal indicator and the volume bars below it. That's all you need to get it all set up.